Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the bobbin because a properly wound bobbin prevents tension issues later. With the presser foot up and power off, place your spool on the pin and secure with the cap so thread feeds smoothly. Guide the thread through the bobbin winder tension, engage the winder, and run the motor until the bobbin reaches about half to full capacity. Once done, cut the thread, return the bobbin to its case, and leave the machine ready for upper threading. You now thread the upper path, which controls stitch quality so accuracy matters. Start with the needle and presser foot raised to open the tension discs, then follow the numbered guides from spool to tension assembly. Bring the thread up through the take-up lever from front to back so it moves with the needle. This ensures even feed and tension. Finally, guide the thread through the needle left to right and pull a 3 to 4 inch tail through to prevent knots when you start sewing. You finish by seating the bobbin correctly, because incorrect orientation causes looping or jamming. Place the bobbin in its case following the arrow so thread feeds smoothly, then pull both upper and bobbin threads toward the back. Turn the handwheel 1 full revolution to lower and raise the needle. This picks up the bobbin thread and brings both threads to the surface. Lower the presser foot and run a few stitches on scrap. If loops form, recheck tension and ensure the bobbin is seated in the correct direction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.